Ito naman po yung Rizal Park Hotel po. Dati po siyang Army Navy lang. 1911.
Ngayon, hotel na siya.
Bago lang po. 4 star po yan, sir eh.
4 star?
Ano po, like, siguro nasa... Kasi yung Manila Hotel, ano yan eh, nasa 15 yan. Per night lang yan. So,
That's the most expensive here?
Hindi pa po, sir.
Mura.
They have many in Sweet City of Dreams and then Okada. Mas also expensive. But the Manila Hotel is the historical.
Maganda to.
Maganda dyan man sa gabi.
Paggabi.
Oo, yung dancing fountain dyan.
Until what time siya?
Ito po hanggang ano na ba yan,
10 ng gabi.
Yeah. Ayun naman po yung Chinese garden. University, the second oldest university in Asia.
What's the first oldest?
The UST.
Santo Tomas.
Yeah.
The main post office building.
Last year, burned.
Last year lang?
Opo.
Wow.
Kaya naman, bakit daw?
Sa wire lang po yun.
Oh, wire daw. So, yeah, last year na daw.
Puno cash.
Parang dami na.
Manila City Hall.
And the Manila City Hall.
Yung bulsa. Yung bulsa po.
Three priests.
Gomez, Burgos, Zamora.
Saan na yung museum? Bukas. Pedasa. Ang lalaki ng mga building dito.
Doon kasi
This is Rizal Park.
Sa front, hindi makatapos.
so the old house.
Meron ba dito yan? Meron.
Lahat ang lumawa.
Lahat naman. Nanan ko na old na mga books. Ada pa.
Kaso, marami rin siya ngayon.
Philippines. Jose Rizal. Saying goodbye to Luneta Park. We got to honor Jose Rizal, national hero of the Philippines. Okay, it's okay. Thank you. People are waiting here, I think, for the changing of the guards. I wonder how often they change guards. Oh, they don't have any guards, huh? They had it earlier this afternoon.
Naka-timing ka lahat kung may guard. Holiday at the time.
So it's around 6:30 in the evening here. And you can see the traffic in Manila. This is probably the normal traffic during the weekdays, weeknights. A lot of people use this area to do their jogging, walking, exercise, because it's cooler and windy. You can feel the wind. You see all the traffic, bumper to bumper. Lights are all turned on.
Kimopit hangin eh.
Yes, it is very relaxing. Nice windy night here. At exactly 7:03 in the morning of December 30, 1896, by an 8-man squad of Filipino riflemen from the 70th Infantry Regiment. Oh, that's a nice breeze. They're lacking security guards here. Oh, that's them. Oh, they're dressed in like Spaniards. Dancing lights synchronized with music. Oh, that's from the water, because they're spraying from the fountains, and it's windy and it's coming here. I'm so full. Go, maybe. I'll get one. How much? 20 pesos each. Delicious ice cream. This is the original house of one of the early presidents of the Philippines, Aguinaldo. They preserved the house. Majestic mango trees lines up this walkway. You recognize this? What's this? Bulad? Pork sisig? Local foods here in the Philippines. And some delicacies. Oh, we got spaghetti. Mango juice. Cactus. Oh, cut. Different banana delicacies. Toron. Oh, kamote fries. Very good. Kamote is healthy too.
Ayun, ano yun? Ano po? Ano yan? Sapin-sapin.
Tapit-tapit.
Sapin-sapin. Ito. Ayan po. Magkano? Magkano? Ah, papalit po. Alin po? Ito. 20 po. Dalawa na. Tsaka biko din.
Pineapple juice. Lemonade. Different fruits, pineapple, papaya, pakwan, which is the watermelon, and mango. They've been sliced for snacks while you're walking in the park. Can you show it? Biko and sapin-sapin. Okay, so 25 pesos, which is half a dollar.
I don't know. Sticky rice? This is the
Sticky
sapin-sapin.
rice. Okay, and we're gonna try it.
That's sapin-sapin.
That is really good. Not really that sticky. That's tasty. How about the other one?
It's the biko.
Biko. We'll try that one.
Sticky rice. Masa?
That's got more texture. That definitely is more stickier. Not too sweet, which is really good.